entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?
What's going on, Sammy's RC World? I got a question for y'all. Have you ever just lost one of your RC crafts and then it feel like you just lost a loved one and you got to do something about it? I drowned my Mini in the Savannah River, with Savannah Rapids. Yes, I did. It's my own fault because I also fly the Mavic Air 2, and I was flying the Mavic Air 2 for about, I want to say a little bit, almost like an hour, 15, 20 minutes, because I flew like 3 batteries. Got some nice flight time out of it, right? Maybe 24, 25 minutes per flight. Got some good footage. And then, while my associate, or, you know, he's a professional photographer, he's been teaching me some things. He was putting some programs onto the Lenovo computer, right? So I said, let me just pull out the Mini and just get me some more footage. Being greedy, took it out, and you'll see the video in a minute of what happened. Took it out and got, the Mini flies so smooth. It's the Mavic Mini. It flies so smooth, but it doesn't have any obstacle avoidance. And I have been flying the Mavic Air 2, and it has obstacle avoidance in the back and the front. All right. So in my mind, I'm still flying the Mavic and end up doing this.
Thank you.